Hello, grade fours. Today we are going to learn more about the author Patricia Polacco, who wrote the picture book, Thank You, Mr. Fulker. Now, while I am reading the article, I want you to make sure you have your listening ears on and you are following along on the screen, okay? Let's get started. Patricia Polacco, more about the author. Patricia Polacco is an author and illustrator of over 115 children's books. Her stories are influenced by personal experiences, family stories, and traditions. Many stories are inspired by her grandparents. She also writes stories about multiculturalism, which reflects her experiences growing up in Oakland, California. Patricia Polacco was born in Michigan. After her parents divorced, she moved with her mother and brother. They went to live on her grandparents' farm. When she was 7, her grandparents died. Then she moved with her mother to Oakland, California. Patricia Polacco was not a good student. She struggled with reading and writing. She did not learn to read until she was almost 14. One of her teachers discovered that she had a reading disability called dyslexia. She was able to get help with her reading. After she got help, she was a good reader. After high school, Patricia went on to study fine art. She even got her PhD in art history. That means she is a doctor of art history. Before being an author, Patricia Polacco had a job restoring art. She started writing and illustrating books after her son needed a book to help him manage his diabetes. Then she started writing down old family stories and illustrating them. Eventually publishers bought her stories and made them into books. Patricia Polacco has earned many awards for her many books. In total, she has earned over 60 awards for her work. Her book, Pink and Say, has won the most awards, including the American Book of the Year Award in 1995. It was also recognized by the President of the United States as one of the best books in the past 100 years in 2013. Her other books, Thank You, Mr. Fulker, Children's Sunday, The Blessing Cup, and Mrs. Katz and Tush have also won awards too. Although she spent most of her life in Oakland, California, Patricia has moved back to Michigan. She lives on her family's farm and opens her home to local children as an art and storytelling center. Thank you for listening, grade fours. Now I want you to complete the reading activity in the other Google slide, okay? Have fun!